Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about 20 high-protein foods that are easily available in your daily life. Protein is the building block of our muscles, bones, and overall health. Whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply stay energized, protein is essential. So let's dive into the top 20 protein-packed foods you can find almost anywhere. Section 1. Animal-based protein, Chanandri eggs. One of the most affordable and versatile protein sources. One egg has about 6 grams of high-quality protein. Chicken breast, a favorite among fitness lovers. Low in fat and packed with lean protein. Fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel. Rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, great for your heart and muscles. Milk, an easy-to-access source of protein and calcium. Perfect for both kids and adults. Greek yogurt contains almost double the protein compared to regular yogurt. Cottage cheese, paneer. Affordable and slow-digesting protein, perfect before bed for muscle recovery. Lean beef provides protein plus iron and vitamin B12, which help boost energy. Turkey, a lean alternative to chicken, high protein with very little fat. Whey protein powder, quick and convenient protein source, especially for athletes and busy people. Shrimp, low in calories but rich in protein. A seafood lover's delight. Section 2. Plant-based protein, chun lentils, dal. A budget-friendly protein source, especially for vegetarians. Chickpeas, chana, high in protein and fiber, keeps you full for hours. Black beans, excellent plant protein, great for salads, soups, and wraps. Kidney beans, affordable and packed with plant protein and fiber. Quinoa, a complete protein grain, contains all 9 essential amino acids. Tofu, made from soybeans, it's a versatile plant protein option. Edamame, young soybeans, rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Almonds, a protein-rich nut that's also full of healthy fats and vitamin E. Peanuts, affordable and widely available. Peanut butter is a popular snack choice. Pumpkin seeds, tiny seeds but loaded with protein, magnesium, and zinc. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 20 high-protein foods that are commonly available and budget-friendly. Including these in your daily meals can help with weight management, muscle growth, and overall health. Which of these protein-rich foods do you eat most often? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips.